Ever pondered over the process of creating that bar of soap sitting in your bathroom? It's quite the fascinating journey, transforming simple ingredients into a daily essential. Today, we embark on a voyage of discovery, delving into the step-by-step process of how soap is made. Soap making is a craft that dates back to ancient times. Today, we unravel this age-old process, starting with the two fundamental ingredients, fat or oil, and an alkali solution, typically lye. The first step is prepping the oils. Oils, like coconut, olive, or palm, are heated until they reach a temperature of around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to maintain a consistent temperature to ensure the soap sets correctly. Next on the agenda is lye preparation. This step requires caution. Lye, also known as sodium hydroxide, is a potent alkaline substance. It's mixed with distilled water until it dissolves completely. Remember, always add lye to water, not the other way around. Once the lye solution cools down to the same temperature as the oils, it's time for the magic to happen. The lye solution and the oils are mixed together. This is the start of a process known as saponification, where the oils and lye react to create soap. Stirring is the next step. Stir the mixture until it reaches a pudding-like consistency. This is what soap makers refer to as trace. It's the point where the soap has emulsified perfectly. Now comes the fun part, adding in fragrances and colors. Essential oils or fragrance oils are added at this stage, as well as any natural colorants or additives. Stir these in gently until they're evenly distributed. With the mixture ready, it's poured into a mold. This could be anything, a fancy silicone mold, a simple plastic container, or even a cleaned-out milk carton. The soap is then left to harden. This can take anywhere from 24 hours to a week, depending on the oil and lye concentration. Lastly, after the soap has hardened, it's removed from the mold and cut into bars. The soap then needs to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, any remaining water evaporates, and the saponification process completes, resulting in a milder, harder bar of soap. So, there you have it. The journey: simple ingredients to bar of soap broken down into easy steps. Preparing the oils, mixing the lye, combining the two, stirring until trace, adding in fragrances and colors, pouring into a mold, hardening, cutting into bars, and lastly, curing. This process, while simple in its essence, holds a deep-rooted history and is the backbone of a product we use daily. So, the next time you reach for that bar of soap, remember the journey it's been on. It's just a bar of soap. It's a piece of history, a product of science, and a work of art. If you enjoyed this journey into the art of soap making, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights.